What's going on, people? Welcome to GFX Kapture. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rounded corners on a video clip in Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's jump in. So in here, I've taken a clip. Next thing I want to do is right click here, go to new item and select color matte. It should automatically pick up your video settings. So click OK. And here select the background that you want for your video. So in my case, I'm going to choose white background and click OK. You can also give it a color matte name, but I'm going to leave it on default. If you have many, you can actually choose different names for it. Okay, next I'm gonna push up this video clip onto the second layer here, and then I will drag the color matte underneath my video clip and just drag it so that it equalizes to the video clip here. Next, go to Effects and Presets and search for Roughen Edges. Drag this on your video clip in the timeline. Click on the video while you have this selected. Go to the Effect Controls and reduce the scale. And this can be anything that you want. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to leave it at about 85. Okay. Next thing is go to the Roughen Edges and in the drop down here, select Cut. Next, increase the border value to about 450 or maybe 500 in my case. Okay, I'm gonna go to something like this, and edge sharpness go to about 10 on this one. Okay, and fractal influence, make that to 0. Okay, so this is what you will see in your video. If you do see any edges here, don't worry about it, because when you render it, when you export it, it will be round anyway. Okay, so when you play it, it will look something like this. Okay, obviously, as I said, if you see these edges here, this is only in the preview. After exporting, it will be rounded edges. So after exporting, it will be something like this. So you can see all the edges are round as expected, and you have the white background as well, as we chose. So I hope you liked the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.